Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s. This one, negative s, we can put into negative 4s plus 3s. We can do about factorization by s. This one by number 3. Now, we can do another factorization by s minus number 4. And we have like this. Now, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now, we put negative number 3 cone here and here. And this one we have number 3 over number 7. Now, let's go to the next one. This one, that is about negative 3s plus 2s. This one we have 3s and 2s. Oh, sorry, that should be about 6s minus s. Now, we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 2. This one by 3s. This one by negative number 1. Next, s minus number 3, s minus number 3, we can do another factorization. Similar for the second one. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And now I will put negative number 2 cone here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one, that is about 5 over 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.